how you going? Hope you're all doing well. It's really hot here, so I have this ice block pineapple, which is his favorite, and he's trying to get it so badly. Yeah, careful. You want a bit? Did you get some? Oh, is it nice? It's really cold, isn't it? Is it cold? Yum! So me and Buddy are having pineapple ice blocks. Yes, we are. Because it's so hot today, isn't it, my baby? Yeah, can I have some? It's nice. Oh, you want some? Are you getting cranky? That's really nice. Yeah. I would share with you, he'll get cranky. That's so nice. That's so good, Buddy. You should really try it. You would sub. Yum. Don't chew the plastic. Don't chew the ice block. Okay. You're a rat bag. And then some. All right. Hello, beautiful. Do you want a taste? Oh, it's very cold. Yeah, you want some? Have some? Yum. Yummy. Oh, is it nice? You want some more? Yum. No. You are hunting me down. Yummy. Yummy. Yum. Is it nice and cold? Yummy. Yeah, only a little bit. Yeah, you're not having it all. Alright guys, so that's Buddy and me sharing our ice block together on this really hot day today in Queensland. Thanks guys, have a great day.